Hello everybody. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how you can download the AI Mentor app and register for an internship, or you could also take up certificate examination by registering. The app is available both on App Store and Play Store. And once you download the app, this is the login page. You can click on the register button here, fill in the details, your name, your email ID. Email ID is basically your username. Put in your phone number, the password, and the name of the institution, that is the name of the college or the university that you're studying, and click on the submit button. This lets you create a user ID password. So once you're done with this stage, you can come back, use the same email ID that you have used to register and the password that you've given, and click on the submit button. And once you click on the submit button, there are several options here. To enroll for an internship, select the start internship option. Click on UG and PG, that is undergraduation and post-graduation. Here we have divided the internships based on major domains or major fields in which students are looking to complete or looking to sign up for an internship. Just scroll through. There are many domains. Like for example, if you select AI/ML, you will find a lot of details of internship here. If it is a offline internship, you will see the word offline and it will also tell you about the stipend. If it is not mentioned as offline, that is by default an online internship. So based on which internship you are interested in, just click on select session. You will find different dates on which the internship might start. For example, here the first internship, it starts on Friday, August 1st, 2025. The second one is starting on August 12th, 2025. So depending on what you're comfortable with, you can click on select session. And if you have already enrolled to a particular internship, you will get this message: currently enrolled in 2 internships, please complete the existing ones. If not, it will say you have successfully registered, and then it might take you to the payment gateway page. So you can make the payment through the payment gateway. If you have a coupon code, you can put in the coupon code as well. And once you have made the payment, you can come back here, and it will automatically, all the internships that you have chosen will automatically be visible under allotted section here. All the internships, everything that you have signed up for will be available in the allotted section. Now this is for internship. Similarly, you can take up a second internship. You can take up as many internships as possible, but you cannot you cannot work on the internship parallelly. You have to complete one internship and then register again for the second internship. You don't have to pay again. It's just that you have to complete it, submit the reports, whatever is required for a existing internship, and then you can enroll to a new internship. Here the second option we have is register for examination. Now you can register for any certificate examination that is available here. Let's say register for examination. Here you will find all exams, certificate exams, cyber security, interview skills, IELTS, competitive examination. There is cloud computing. Anything that you're interested in, just click on that particular, let's say web designing. You click on here. If there is an existing session, it will appear here. Once the session appears, you can select the session like you did for internship. So if there is an existing session available, you will be able to see it like this. So you can select a particular session and then you can take up that particular exam. On that particular exam, you can just click here. Whatever exam you have registered for will come here in the allotted section. Just click on the proceed button and then it will take you to the particular examination. You can just click on take exam and it will take you to the certificate examination page, and you can complete the examination. And once you have completed your examination and once you have completed your internship, there is an option here, download certificates. You can automatically download the certificate here. Just click on the download button. You should be able to download the certificate. Same thing for the internships as well. You can download the certificate like this. If the exam is successful, you should be able to download a certificate. That's about it. These are some of the options. And for the certification examination, if you want to go through some material, we have materials available here. So whichever exam you're taking, certificate exam you're taking, let's say value-added course on C programming, advanced C, let's say, You can look at the material here. Materials are uploaded here. You can click on the view button. You can go through it and then take up the examination. Accessing the content is absolutely free of cost. There is nothing to be paid. You can just access the content, and then for registering for the examination, there will be a payment required. It will tell you what is the payment required for the particular examination. This is just the examination fee, and once you pay that, you should be able to take the examination. And once you successfully complete it, you can download it as well. Now there are other options here. Interview preparation, you can just explore it, depending on what job role you're looking to kind of explore. You can look at the list here, and then take a look at the content. Let's say, for example, digital marketing. So there is some content given here. You can go through it. This will basically help you prepare for the interview. That's about it. This is how you can take up the certificate examination and the internship on AI Mentor portal. Thank you.